Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. I hope you're all doing great, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can log into your Emirates NBD Bank. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on post notifications. So without further ado, let's get the video started. First thing you need to do is open browser on your phone or on your desktop. Then enter the URL emiratesnbd.com. Once you do that, you'll be headed to this website and click on the little icon at the top right of the page. Then click on online banking. Once you do that, you'll be headed to this page where you need to enter your information that you use to log into Emirates NBD Bank. So start by entering your username. And then enter your password. Once you fill in all your information, click on login and you'll be logged into your Emirates NBD Bank. But if you do not have an account, click on register for online or mobile banking. Or if you have forgotten your ID or password, click on forgot username or forgot password. Once you fill in all your information, click on login and you'll be logged into your Emirates NBD Bank. So there you have it. That's how you log into your Emirates NBD Bank. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so that you won't miss any of our videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.